Welcome to the floor of my office where I'm going to be unboxing the new Sony A7IV. Let's do it. This is the first camera body I've purchased new, so I'm excited. Charging cable, strap, charging block. That's nice to have. There we go. Got a nice genuine Z battery. And the juicy part is coming. Here we are. Voila! The Sony A7IV. Dang, that feels nice. It feels kind of light to me, but maybe it's just... Oh, no battery in there. Okay. Well, in typical fashion, I'll comment on the flippy screen, which indeed will be a nice feature. I really like having it in the closed position, so I don't risk scratching the screen during transport. The ergonomics definitely feel much better than the A7 III does. I have really big hands, long monster fingers, so I need a handle that can accommodate that, and this one certainly can. The buttons all feel nice. I'm very excited about this programmable EV dial. It'll be nice. I honestly might just do aperture and shutter on these ones, and maybe like something different with this front one. Maybe white balance or ISO or something. We'll see. It honestly feels kind of cheap though. It feels like the build quality is kind of like flimsier. Let's throw a battery in. I'll throw a lens on there. The 24 to 70G master will be my choice. Power on. There we go. Time to set it up. This fully functioning touchscreen is definitely a dream. Well, there's the Sony A7IV unboxing. I'm super excited to get my hands on this thing a little bit more and play around with it. And I'll do a review here shortly on what I think of it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.